Who the hell? I just put the kitten down.
Sharon, are you seeing this? I finally got it after all these years. Okay. Hey John, check it out.
What is going on? What are you doing?
Get off! You're just too much. Come on, Jay.
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
Hey, Sabrina, can you come pick me up? I think these humans are summoning a demon. They keep talking about a demon named Talk. A demon named TikTok, and they're like jumping around and shit. What the fuck is that?